Hello guys, Igor here, doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing a deal that I just found by chance on AppSumo called Beatflyer, and I think it's pretty cool, pretty neat, and it can help you to create quickly video posts to Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp. So Beatflyer is a powerful social media video post creator. It comes with a wide range of powerful and customizable effects. It's pretty easy to create the videos I'm going to show you. It's a one-time purchase of $49 and you get all the future Beatflyer plan updates. So let's see how the tool works. Here is the editor and you can see that it's pretty simple. You just can create an empty new post or you can use one of those templates. They are divided by category. And let's check out, for instance, the music templates. So here are the music templates. We can just change here to the advertisement templates. Here they have the events templates, okay? Podcast templates, promotions, and quotes. Let's, for instance, select a quote template for the sake of that review. So it's pretty simple to edit the properties. And here you have advanced edit where you can change, the image, but everything can be done here on text and author. So you can just add here any text you want. I am testing the tool and they will automatically change the video, and you can change here the author, and here you change the color. They have pre-configured colors, or you can just add your custom color, adding the color of your brand. You can also click here to add any soundtracks. You can choose song from iTunes, song on your PC, or royalty-free loop songs. So you can select a genre, pretty fast here, for instance, house, and you can select one of those songs that they have here. Just click here to select the song and it's done. And again, if you want to export, you just click here and you can export as an animated GIF, as a full video or as an image. So you can create many quotes in no time. Okay? Let's check out another template.
Well, welcome to episode 149.
I like that one, to promote your podcast. And this is pretty cool because you can just change here the title pretty fast and the descriptions and the description here. Okay, change the animation, the color.
Welcome to episode 149 of Michael and Ivanka's podcast.
And you can just upload your podcast here and share it on Facebook, share it on Twitter, etc. So it's pretty simple. Just add your podcast sample here. So you can see they have many different templates. Let's check another one. Here again, you can change the design using Unsplash to find a new picture, and they will add the photo automatically on the design. It's a pretty gem. You can create different kind of videos using that tool pretty fast. I'm gonna test it for sure. And I like it. It's good to share quotes pretty fast. It's good to share your podcast pretty fast and to create your video content and share on social media with no time. If you like that review, please click on the link below to help me to keep going. Bye-bye.